Hey guys, welcome back. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to calculate the square root of a number without using a calculator. So you can just do it all in your head. So if I ask you to find the square root of 25, this is easy because 5 times 5 equals 25. So we know the square root of 25 is just 5. But if I ask you to calculate the square root of 26, now we can't find it directly because it's not the square of a whole number. So here's the trick. What we are going to do is we're just going to rewrite it as the closest square. So what is the closest square that is just less than 26? So the closest square just below 26 is 25. So we can write it as 25 and then it'll just be plus 1. And here's the trick. This is how you solve it. Now we know the square root of 25 is 5. So we write 5 here and then plus we're gonna write whatever the remainder is in here, the other number. So we have 1 here. So we're gonna write 1 here divided by, it would just be 2 times the number on the left. So the number on the left is 5. So we just multiply it with 5. So this becomes 5 plus 1 over 10 equals 5 plus 0.1 equals 5.1, and this is your answer. And if we calculate it using a calculator, let me do it real quick. So let's just calculate the square root of 26. We will get 5.099. So this approximate value is really close. Now let's do another one. Let's do 108. So now we know the closest square just below 108 is 100 because 10 times 10 is 100. So we can write this whole thing as 100 plus 8. And we know the square root of 100 is 10. So we can rewrite this as 10 plus, what is the next number? We have 8 divided by 2 times this number on the left. So this is 10. So 2 times 10. So this becomes 10 plus 8 out of 20. And 8 out of 20, let's try to calculate it. So if I can just bring the denominator, which is this value here, to 10, it'll be really easy to calculate because we can just, take the decimal one place here and we'll know what the result is. So what I'm going to do is instead of dividing it by 4, I'm just going to divide it by 2. So we get 4 and then 10. And this 4 over 10 will just become 0.4 because, when we divide a number with 10, the decimal place moves one place to the left. So since 4 can be written as 4.0, if we divide it with 10, the decimal place goes here. And if we divide it with 100, it'll just go here. So it'll be just 0.04. Okay. Let's do one more. So we are going to find the square root of 407. So once again, we're going to break it down to the nearest square. So that would just be 400 plus 7 because we know that 20 times 20 is equal to 400. So we know that. So this is going to become just 20 plus 7 divided by 2 times this number. So this will become 2 times 20 equals 20 plus 7 out of 40. And then this thing becomes 20 plus. Now to calculate this without a calculator, what I can do is I can either bring this to 10, but I can't because my numerator is 7. So I can actually bring it to 100 and that'll be really easy to simplify. So I can just, if I multiply this with 2.5 and the numerator also with 2.5, we get 17.5 divided by 100. So this becomes 20 plus, and now we are dividing it by 100. So this decimal place goes 2 places here. So it'll just go here. So this will become 0.175. And then this is just going to be 20.175. And here's your answer. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to my channel and let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you for watching.